Are you looking to sell your home? If so, one extra step you can take to make a good first impression and to get more potential buyers to fall in love with your property is through home staging. Home staging is the process of preparing a home for sale with the intent to showcase it to potential buyers. It involves rearranging or adding furniture and decor, upgrading curb appeal, clearing out clutter, and depersonalizing the home to make it look its best, especially for listing photos, showings, and walkthroughs. But why does home staging matter? Well, first and foremost, it makes it easier for buyers to envision themselves in the home. By creating a neutral yet stylish space, buyers can imagine themselves living in the home and develop an emotional attachment to it, which hopefully will lead them to submitting a generous offer. In fact, according to a profile of home staging by the National Association of Realtors, or NAR, 82% of buyer agents said staging a home made it easier for a buyer to visualize their property as a future home. Moreover, staging can increase the amount of the offer. The National Association of Realtors also reported that 23% of buyers agents said that staging a home increased the dollar value offered between 1 and 5% compared to other properties in the area that are currently for sale, but those are not staged. Additionally, a well-staged home looks better and more eye-catching when shared on social media, property websites such as Realtor.com, Trulia, Zillow, etc., and improving buyers' first impression. Furthermore, a staged home typically sells faster, and that's according to NAR, National Association of Realtors. They said that 31% reported that staging a home greatly decreased the amount of time the home was on the market, especially for homes that are quite difficult to sell. Staging is necessary to draw more buyers in. The home will appeal to a larger audience, making it easier to market. And when it comes to home staging, you have three options. Number one, do it yourself. Number two, get your real estate agent to help you. Or number three, hire a professional staging company. Each option has its own advantages and disadvantages depending on your specific situation and budget. For example, if you have the time, if you have the taste, and you want to do it yourself, and you want to save some cash, and you're confident that you can present your property in the best way possible, doing it yourself might be the best option for you. However, most homeowners are personally connected to their homes, and they may feel overwhelmed to rearrange their home for sale. On the other hand, hiring a professional staging company may be the best solution if you have the budget for it. They can provide suggestions on what should be done to increase the home's appeal or showcase more efficient use of the space. Their services can also extend to the exterior and outdoor spaces to help improve your home's curb appeal. In conclusion, home staging can be very advantageous when it comes to selling your home. However, whether it's worth it or not still depends on several factors, including your timeline, your budget, the total cost of staging, either professionally or do it yourself, the value it could add to your property, and how quickly you're hoping to sell it. If you're still wondering whether staging is in your best interest, talk to us. We can definitely tell you what to do and how to do it. We know the market. If you want to get the most out of selling your home, which means a quick close and the most amount of money, think about rearranging your home. Think about presenting it the best possible way. Keep in mind that 99% of property buyers start their search online. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.